Cultural strength. South African women have a rich cultural heritage reflected in their music, dance, art, and cuisine. They are often seen as guardians of local traditions and customs. Resilience. Many South African women have faced significant challenges throughout the country's history, including apartheid. Their resilience and ability to overcome adversity are admirable. Empowerment. South African women have played important roles in the struggle for gender equality and the advancement of women's rights. Many are leaders in their communities and hold influential positions in various sectors. Natural beauty. The ethnic diversity of South Africa results in a variety of beauty standards, all equally celebrated. South African women exhibit a natural beauty that reflects the richness of the country's heritage. Innovation. South African women are actively involved in sectors such as technology, science, business, and entrepreneurship, driving innovation and economic progress in the country. Hospitality. South African culture is known for its warm hospitality, and women play a central role in this, often being generous hosts at social and family events. Linguistic diversity. South Africa is a multilingual country, and women often master several languages, reflecting their cultural diversity and their ability to communicate effectively in diverse contexts. Family strength. Family plays a fundamental role in South African society, and women are often pillars within their families, offering emotional, financial, and practical support. Contribution to art and culture. South African women have made an indelible mark on the country's artistic and cultural scene. Whether through literature, cinema, theater, fashion, or crafts, enriching the nation's cultural fabric.